Welcome to this course on unit testing with Spring Boot, Mockito and JUnit. In this course, we will learn to write awesome JUnit tests with Spring Boot and Mockito. I am Ranga Karanam. I have more than 15 years of experience developing awesome Java applications across the world. I have been writing great unit tests for more than a decade. There are two important frameworks which made writing unit tests very easy. Number one, Mockito. It makes mocking a cakewalk. Number two is Spring Unit Testing Framework, and now the Spring Boot Test Framework. It makes writing unit tests for web layer, writing unit tests for data layer very easy. In 28 minutes, we are focused on creating great learning experiences. We ask ourselves one question every day. How do we create more effective courses? All our success with 150,000 students on Udemy and more than 50,000 subscribers on YouTube is a result of this pursuit of excellence. The first section of this course, Mocking and Spying with Mockito, will help you get started with Mockito. You would understand what are the problems with stubs, why do we need to use mocks, and we would look at writing great unit tests with Mockito. We would look at different annotations like @mock, @inject mocks, @run with Mockito JUnit runner, as well as look at a number of Mockito tips. How do you return multiple values? How do you match specific arguments? How do you verify method calls? How do you capture arguments? And how do you spy with Mockito? In the second section, we would jump into the world of creating RESTful web services with Spring Boot and writing unit tests for them. Real world applications have multiple layers: web layer, business layer, and a data layer. We'll create a simple REST service talking to all the layers, and we will write individual unit tests for each of these layers. We'll also write an integration test for all the layers together. We would learn how to write unit tests for the web layer using Spring Mock MVC framework. We will learn how to write unit tests for the business layer using Mockito, and we would learn how to write unit tests for the data layer by using data JPA test. During this section, you'll also learn a number of tips about how to write great unit tests. You'll find the step-by-step details of both these sections in the description of the course. In this course, we will use Java 8 and we will be using Eclipse Java EE Oxygen, and we would be using Spring Boot 2.0.0 release. We'll use Maven for dependency management. All the code, including the step-by-step details, are present on our GitHub repository. What are we waiting for? Let's have some fun writing great unit tests for RESTful web services with Spring Boot and Mockito. We had a lot of fun creating this course, and I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun doing the course as well. If you are as excited as I am, go ahead and enroll for the course. Or you can take a test drive using the free preview feature. I'll see you in the course.